Hi, I'm Poppi T. Clown, and I'm here from Clawless Clowns with the courtesy of Clown Annex to perform a little magic trick for you. I'm going to perform a little magic trick, and all it takes is one Ritz cracker. No, I'm not going to eat this cracker to make it disappear. I'm going to make it disappear right in front of your eyes. All you have to do is watch me. But before we do it, I need to say the magic words and sprinkle a little magic dust over it. Okay, here we go. Abracadabra. Disappear. Ta-da! Thank you for watching, and I hope you share it with your friends. And to all, bump a nose.